Give me that saucy. Oh my God, it's smoky, it's seasoned, it's juicy. Whoa, oh. We got that cone, got that shrimp, got them crab leg, got them sausage. Look at that back bust open. That's how you know that thing clean, boy. Oh my goodness. Going for that corn next. We'll take care of it. We'll take care of this later. But look, got your crab leg, right? You're pulling this side out. Pull it out. All the juice gonna fall out. You got one crack that way, one crack that way, one crack, and it pull out every time. It works every time, y'all. Bro, I ain't got the words. Don't got the doggone words.